Hey, this isn't me, it's my AI clone. While I sleep, it creates content, creates ads, and sends personalized outreach that books clients. When you're trying to integrate AI, but you just creating an AI clone of yourself to get more clients or customers is one of the best things that you can do in 2026. Creating content is one of the most time-consuming things that you can do. There's the whole setting up of the camera, making sure you're looking good, getting your scripts right, getting all your points down. But now with tools like HeyGen and other AI tools, we're now able to replicate ourselves. And the results are getting scarier and scarier. Yes, it is scary. If this is how AI looks at the start of 2026, imagine how it will be in a few months or even a year from now. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through 3 ways in which you can use your AI clone to get more customers or more clients. The first way to clone yourself is with the content clone. As you guys know, in 2026, having a personal brand and lots of content around your brand or business is critical for success. What I'm recommending is that you use an AI clone to create short form content for your business. What I mean by short form content is things like TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, X, and YouTube Shorts. The reason why I'm recommending this is because this is where most of the attention is in 2026. The other reason is because with long form content, it's easier to detect that it's AI. And when people detect that, they're going to skip right past it. Another opportunity is that if you want to tap into other markets, you can actually use your AI clone to start speaking in other languages. Hola David, rápido. Estaba mirando tech systems y noté que ya estás haciendo cosas sólidas. However, at the end of the day, you don't want to be damaging your personal brand or your business. So you want to make sure you're as authentic as possible. If you're projecting that you can speak Chinese and then when someone comes on the onboarding call or prospecting call and you don't speak Chinese, there's going to be a major disconnect and you're going to kill the trust, which will kill the deal. Next clone you should make is the sales clone. When looking for new customers and using things like cold DMs or cold email, you're in a very saturated space. What we do know when it comes to cold DMs and cold email is the better results you'll have is when it's more personalized, when it feels like this isn't just a spam email or message sent to thousands of other people. So now with your outbound and your follow-up clone, you're able to just create a script for them and they'll be able to create a personalized video of yourself, introducing yourself and your business and how you can help that prospective client. Hey David, quick one. I was looking at tech systems and noticed you're already doing some solid things, but most teams we speak to are leaving serious efficiency on the table. So now when it comes to mass messaging on LinkedIn, on cold email, on your Instagram DMs, whatever it be, you can add another personal touch with that video at scale. The next clone you should make is the ad clone. When it comes to advertising, one of the most important rules there is the hook or the first 3 seconds of your video. When creating adverts previously, you would have to do multiple takes, doing different hooks, different scripts of the same thing. You would maybe add a prop, you would go film at a different location, you would just be trying lots of different hooks. The best people anyway would be doing this, and it would be very time consuming. But now what you're able to do is have even better hooks. Your hooks can be more extreme. You can have even better props, you can be in even cooler locations, and those first 3 seconds are really what's going to grab that attention. Then after the hook or using your AI clone of yourself, you can go to your authentic self so it looks more real. But remember, those first 3 seconds is where it's all going to happen, and if you can have the best ad hooks, be testing them, A/B testing, seeing what's going to work, you're going to dominate and get more clients and customers. Your business needs to grab people's attention. Now with AI, it makes this process 100 times easier. When it comes to an AI clone of yourself, the golden rule is transparency. You don't want to be a guy that's tricking people or manipulating people, or really when they come onto that call with you, they feel like a major disconnect between what they've been hearing and what they've been seeing versus who you actually are. I would not be using my AI clone to trick people or to manipulate them into thinking a certain way of how my business or brand is. So for example, we're probably going to see a bunch of people who are saying, hey, this is my lifestyle. I drive 3 Bugattis and I have 4 houses and here's me on a private jet. So I think that's going to be very manipulative and that is going to throw off people majorly. So do not do that. So there you have it. There are the 3 ways that you can use an AI clone in 2026. You now have the ability to have a 24/7 media company, a face that films, a voice that sells, and a system that prospects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.